WWE Women's Evolution 2018 match card results and winners. Trish Stratus and Lita versus Alicia Fox and Mickie James with Alexa Bliss in their corner. The winners of this match, Trish Stratus and Lita. Women's Battle Royal for future women's title shot. This match included Asuka, Nia Jax, Carmella, Ember Moon, Dana Brooke, Kelly Kelly, Naomi, Ivory, Michelle McCool, Tamina, Zelina Vega, and many more. The winner of this match was Nia Jax. Toni Storm versus Io Shirai in the Mae Young Classics Finals. The winner of this match and the winner of the Mae Young Classics, Toni Storm. Bayley, Sasha Banks, and Natalya versus the Riot Squad in a 6-woman tag team match. The winners of this match, Sasha Banks, Bayley, and Natalya. Io Shirai versus Shayna Baszler. Kairi Sane versus Shayna Baszler, for the NXT Women's Champion. The winner of this match and the new NXT Women's Champion was Shayna Baszler. Charlotte Flair versus Becky Lynch for the SmackDown Women's Champion. The winner of this match, retaining her SmackDown Women's Champion, Becky Lynch. Ronda Rousey versus Nikki Bella for the Raw Women's Champion. The winner of this match, retaining her Raw Women's Champion, Ronda Rousey. That's it for my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.